Hi, this is our last video about the metrological toolbox. In the two previous ones, we saw how to use the division table and the cosine quantogram analysis. And in this video, I will show you how to run the HistoVal, which is some sort of frequency distribution analysis. As for the two others analysis, you can paste directly the values inside HistoVal, and it will help you to visualize the distribution of this value. So first you have to decide is the values between which you want to view this distribution. Here I want to see what's happening between 0 gram and 250 grams. As for the quantogram analysis, you need to choose an increment. It works a bit differently, but I will also enter 0.1 grams. And then the last entry is a new one, and it is called the norm zone, and it is expressed as a percentage. The norm zone is a concept developed at the beginning of the 20th century BC for metrological studies, and it represents the variation that can exist between theoretical metrological values and real practical values. I generally accept a 5% norm zone, and soon you will see how it works here. So now we can run the analysis and visualize it with a chart. So as you can see, we obtain this massive chart, which is a column chart with some very high peaks. Here, for example, we have 28 values which correspond to 40.6 grams. But actually, it is not exactly the reality. If we scroll the results looking for 40.6 grams, which is here, we see that actually we have 28 values between 38.57 grams and 42.63 grams. In other words, between 40.6 grams minus 5% and 40.6 grams plus 5%. 5% is our norm zone. So this is a very interesting tool to quickly visualize the main convergences of values. We can also directly see if this distribution is linked with a specific metrological system. Here I choose a decimal counting system with a 20.7 grams unit, and I run it. I add it to the chart, and as you can see, the distribution is very close of what we have. And as for the cosine quantogram analysis, we can also use the metadata here. I delete this chart, and I will paste my chosen criteria in front of our 6 first criteria here, and as they correspond to the metadata 1, I write 1 in front of metadata here, and I run again the analysis. It can be a bit long, so I skip some seconds of the video. So now we have results of the distribution analysis of our sample according to our chosen criteria, and we can visualize these results with a chart with clustered columns or with stacked columns. And as you can see, we already see that we have a difference between weights from the 4th century BC, which are in yellow here, and the greenish yellowish weights from the 2nd, 1st century BC. So this distribution shows differences according to chronology. So now you are able to analyze with the meteorological toolbox. Feel free to use it with your own data and don't forget to quote us. I am frequently upgrading it, so check for new versions from time to time, and all developing suggestions are welcome.